Today we will install the Kouki Wing Kouki spoiler on the car. Yeah, this is going to be very smashing. If I don't say so myself. So I was trying to figure out how to do this without spending any money, because the car came with a spoiler already. I was just very conscious of the fact that it didn't have anything holding it down, so I took it off. Like, I just lifted it up and took it off. So now I'm about to put it back on. Hopefully this video is as clear and cut as you can be. So for all you S14 owners, I'm pretty sure you have this. If you don't, I'm sorry. But see those two bolts right there that are sticking through, or the studs? I'm going to take the nuts off of these and use them to mount the spoiler in this hole and in this hole. Go here, that hole. Go here, that hole. The next order of business is to get the 3M adhesive, because without 3M adhesive, it won't stick to the trunk. Found it. Okay, so we found the holes. Obviously, one here, one there. Now we need to get all the stuff off of the wing, off of the spoiler. What I have here is a grade A scraper tool that I'm going to use to scrape every last bit of this off of the mounting surface. This is your trim removal tool. It does good for removing 3M adhesives from Kouki spoilers. Making progress. Making progress. Alright, that's completely off now. Now we gotta work on this. Thank you, Lawn Care, for taking the time out to mow the lawn right now at this convenient time that I'm making this video. You guys are right. All that old 3M is off. I'm gonna try to show you on the other side. I'm gonna get all of this off. So now we're gonna go get that acetone. If we don't get that acetone or that grease remover, we're gonna have ourselves a bad day. All right, so the magic trick to the glue gun is that most people, you know, think about it. You spray it like this and you're just going at it, right? You go into town, you're like wham, 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 boom, bam, pow. That's an L. The way to get your W is if you spray it with your pinky and your ring finger, put your other two fingers over the top, like so, turn it to the side. That is effective glue gun spray. And you just spray it, right? So we got spray glue guns on there. Look at that. Effectiveness. This is very effective. Sometimes, you know, you gotta put it here to reload. But either way, you just do it again. Look, watch. Effectiveness. Effectiveness. That's how you get yourself an efficient W, right there. Take away the L's, start getting your W's. Because W means wins, and L means losses. Wiped off, and we are ready for some 91% alcohol to remove all dust, grime, diseases, whatever you want. 3M is on both sides. So now we're about to marry the spoiler to the trunk in holy matrimony. You're always welcome here. You love cars? I love cars. Hey, let's just keep it simple. Come back. Just keep coming back for more videos just like this one.